Dynamic value. Already we find dynamic value. What is that? Second dynamic value. You can come to here. What is that? Departure city. So we can do for departure city now. See, everyone go to the departure city. So this is the departure city. You can copy the dynamic value and go to here. And here what we need to do, go to the code generation. When you want to find the dynamic value, left boundary, right boundary means you need to go to the code generation. And after that, go to the control home. You can click on the control home. It is coming to the starting line. And after that, you can here search window, you need to copy the dynamic value already copy, right? You can paste it. And after that, click on next. After that, click on next. And now you can copy this entire text and keep in notepad. Okay, you can keep in notepad. And now what we to do? Already we want for the LB and RB. LB is equal and RB is equal. You need to find. So this is the dynamic value. Which is the dynamic value? Hello? What
London.
is dynamic value? London is the
London
dynamic value. So you can observe here will be two Londons will be there. You can see this is the London. This is the London. So means for you can take for this London as a dynamic value. This value, entire value will be LB. And right boundary will be this, up to this will be right boundary. Maybe you can take this boundary is a LB, this is the dynamic value, only this is the left boundary, this is the right boundary. So you can take any one fine. Okay, now I'm taking for this is the dynamic value. So for this dynamic value, left boundary, this is the left boundary. I'm copying this and paste is a left boundary. And this entire value will be right boundary. I'm copying here and we need to write the function. What is the function? Web underscore reg underscore save underscore param. In that, what are the things will be there in double colon? So parameter name and comma LB and comma RB comma last. So now we need to replace this parameter name, nothing but which value we are doing, departure city you are doing. So you can give for the departure city only, Q for the variable name. So no need to give for the gap, don't give gap. You want means you can give for the underscore, no problem, departure city. So you can give for the your name also, no problem, because this is the variable name. How we are given in parameterization, same variable name. This is the variable name, but you need to give for the related name. So which value you are doing correlation, you can give for that value. Departure city means you can give for the departure city. You are doing user section means you can give user section. You are doing C type means you can give for the C type. And now you can copy this LB in double colon after you can give, and RB also you can give. So up to now is finished. We are where to write the function. Now we need to do for the way to write the function. So what you need to do where to write the function means you need to go to the runtime settings and click on logs. And external logs you need to full mode. You can keep the full mode and save it. Now you can run. Now you can observe, you can go to the control home. You can control home, and after that you can find next, and you can see this London, right? You can keep here and click on double click. Where to write the function, it will show you. So you can observe. Everyone able to see? It is blinking, right?
Yes, Anaya.
So you can write for the function here. So now you can observe without going to the full mode also, just blindly you can observe this is the dynamic value, this is the request, this is the request. You need to write the above the request. This is the dynamic value request, you need to write for the above. It's linked here, right? You can write here. Okay, by seeing also you can identify, okay, where is the dynamic value above the request, you need to write the function. So now you can go to the, and you can copy this value, not this one, right? Okay, this one. Where is a break file? Okay, come down. Now you can copy this, go to here and paste it where it is, write the function. And after that, what I told, see, you can observe this will be black color, it is showing, means you are not done properly correlation, means it maybe some double columns will be there, you need to give for the black cells. See, now you can observe it is came blue color. Next, final step, what is that? Substitution. You can copy this parameter name, you can go to the dynamic value place, you can remove that, in the open curly brace, close curly brace, you can paste that value. Now you can execute and just reply. Before reply, what you need to do, you can remove for the full mode. And you can execute. Now we need to find the dynamic value is captured or not, we need to check. See, departure city is equal to which value came? Denver is. Everyone able to see? It is captured,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So like this, you need to do for the parameterization each and every value. What are the dynamic values in our script? So anyone have any doubt, please ask me, because this is only our job. So very important concept. Maybe you are not understanding. So go through that our video, and you need to follow that video, and you can look on that. And if anyone have doubts, you can call me, or you can ask for your teammates. Maybe if anyone good, then you can ask. And just today I given some names with the like just teams, right? So that will be temporary only. So based on for your capability or work capability, I will change for the teams also. Just this is for the temporary teams only. After that, I will change for each team will be 3 numbers. Okay.
Okay, Ramya.
Yeah, anyone have any doubts, you can ask me, or we can stop.